What's up, you guys? CLT Hemi coming back with another video. Yeah, I got on a hoodie, bro. I don't like being outside. I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm outside in a little bit. Y'all gonna figure that out. But welcome back to the channel, you guys. CLT Hemi coming back with another video, another banger, bro. Like, you know, I'm in the big M5 now. Big M5, sunroof, suede, all types of crazy stuff, bro. But let me tell you all real quick, one thing I really hate about this car is so smooth, luxury-wise. Like, bro, I slept in. I had a good night last night. And as soon as I start driving this car, bro, I just want to knock right back out, bro. Like, this car rides too freaking smooth, man. It's too quiet. It ain't got no sound to it. It really don't feel like a sports car, you feel me? Like, it feel like it just got crazy amounts of power because of the turbos. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna change that. We're not gonna do nothing to the suspension, but we definitely gonna get a little sound today in this video, you feel me? So stay tuned. About to give me some Chick-fil-A action. You see where I'm at. Chick-fil-A. Give me some Chick-fil-A. Head down to my boys in Gastonia, Randy's. They do all the work on my cars, bro. If y'all been following me for a minute, this is where I took my boy's red eye. Got his work done on his car, so stay tuned and let's see what this car sounds like, bro. I think what I'm gonna do is a resonator delete, because the resonators are in the middle of the car and the mufflers are on the back. So until I go full exhaust system setup, which there's like 3 bands, I'm gonna just cut this off for now so I can have some type of sound, because it's way too quiet, bro. Like, luxury, bro. But yeah, we're gonna get into this video, get some food, head down the road, and I'll catch y'all when we get to the shop. Stay tuned. I'm like 5 minutes away from the shop, but what I'm gonna try to do is get y'all a little clip or some clips of what it sounds like right now and why I'm getting the mufflers taken off. Mufflers or resonators, I don't know yet, but I think I'm leaning towards the mufflers. But I'm gonna do a little quick pull, 1 or 2 of them, so y'all can hear the sound. That's louder than my car. So let me get around this curve real quick. Nothing at all is coming from this exhaust system, bro. So that's gotta go. That's gotta go. So let's go ahead and change this up really quick. So I did come in to get the resonators taken off. You can see those resonators right there, but they said there's literally no point of cutting in the resonators or cutting them off. So what we're gonna do is cut off the mufflers, put these instead, and it'll be one pipe. So Alright, you guys, you seen the final product. What is that? Now, you seen the final product of the muffler delete, which that's what I ended up going up with because the resonators was pretty much pointless to cut off. So the muffler delete is giving me a little more sound. I'm gonna have to get some revs in a little bit when I get home. But for all the people that's like me was wondering, dang, freak the bass rolls. But for everybody that was wondering, should you go with the muffler delete or resonator delete on your BMW M5? I'll say neither. Just leave the car how it is and go buy a full exhaust system for your car, because you're not going to get the sound that you imagine. When I have this car, I imagine all the crazy pops and all the other stuff, which you can't get that without the downpipes and the tune. So you might as well just go get that and then go get the exhaust system that these cars deserve. So I'll be the test dummy for this one. But I mean, it does sound a little bit, you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't say better, but it sounds louder. So you can hear a little bit, but is it really worth what I just paid? Yeah, I would say just save your money, bro. So what I'm gonna go home and do is do some numbers and see what I need to go buy, because it's gonna be downpipes, so I can get the downpipes in the tune, or just go ahead and buy the whole full exhaust system for the car, which I know Dynan has one, and then the other word I'm gonna have to put down here because I definitely don't know how to say it. I know what it is, but I definitely don't know how to say it. So I'll catch up with y'all when I get to the gas station. I'm gonna get gas, take the car to the house. But to answer y'all question, or answer my question too, is it worth to go get a muffler delete or a resonator delete on these cars? No, it's not. Leave how it is and go buy a full exhaust system, or go buy downpipes and tune, and then you'll get the sound that you're looking for. Simple as that. So thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and I'll finish this video whenever I get back to the crib, because I got a little hike back home. So I'll catch you on a little bit. Alright guys, so I end up making it home. The car is right here. Got home, and guess what I got in the mail, you guys? Carbon fiber. I kind of got a little nervous, bro, because this thing has holes. Let me flip this camera around real quick. It actually has holes in here. I'm like, dang, bro, I got to get inside here just to put the spoiler on, but I don't think I have to. It's just 3M tape. Let me close this up real quick. It's just 3M tape all throughout up under this. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm definitely going to be installing that. But this is what the tips look like after it's all said and done. Let me start up and give y'all a couple revs, but it sounds a little bit better. Still a little quiet though. Compared to my Scat, it's a whole lot quieter. Put it in sports plus. Sport Plus everything.